to our newest listing in Desert Ridge. I'm Danielle Cohen.
And I'm Asher Cohen, and we are excited to show you this great Laguna floor plan built by Shea Homes. 4-bed, 2-bath, 3-car garage, and the backyard is gonna wow you. Come on in and take a look.
As you can see, this home is truly special.
If you have any questions about this home or any other home in Desert Ridge, you know who to call. Danielle and Asher Cohen with the By AZ RV team at Realty One Group. Have a great day.